Take 538. Hi, thanks for watching. So, little different video this week. I'm not building Fingerlink. I'd actually just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I passed 100 subscribers recently, so yeah, I've been on YouTube for I think 2 months, so thank you guys all very much. That's amazing, so I hope you guys keep watching and enjoy the content. I'm going to keep building Fingerlink. When Fingerlink's done, I'm gonna do some trials on her on a nearby lake, and then I want to do some camping and sailing with it, with me and Lucy on her. And I have a kid on the way, so hopefully the little baby too. Um, Once Finkeldink's done, I'm not sure what boat I'm gonna build next, but I am also looking for a chunk of land so I can build my own shop, so I can build more boats and ultimately build Vega. Vega, if you don't know, is a 44-foot gaff-rigged ketch, which is also an Atkins boat plan, which I plan to build once I have a shop for it. Speaking of which, if you would like to donate to help support Vega, I'm looking for lead. I need approximately 12,500 pounds, I think a little more than that, closer to 15,000 pounds of lead for Vega altogether, for the keel and for the internal ballast. So if you'd like to donate to that, let me know down below. I'll get in touch with you with my email, which is in the description. Other than that, now that I'm at 100 subscribers, I would like to do release some merch if anyone's interested. So I'm going to do patches with a Vega symbol and a Finkeldink logo. I'm also going to do face shields, I think with both options. Probably Finkeldink to start, maybe Vega if anyone's interested. Maybe sweaters as well, or shirts. I'm going to get face shields made up for me anyway, so if anyone else is interested, let me know. If you'd like to donate to the project in the other way, you can, like I said, you'll be able to buy some merch soon. That'll help me as well. But I have a Patreon set up. If you'd like to become a patron, that'd be awesome. There's different levels you can donate at, and if you donate at any level, you will be mentioned in the end of the video. Also, if you'd like to give a one-time donation, you can do so on PayPal. Again, a link for which is in the description below. Again, you will be mentioned in the end of the next video or the next few videos. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that for PayPal yet. I also am setting up a Facebook group if anyone is interested in joining it. The link for which will be in the description below again. Let's talk about what I want to do after building Finkelnik. I said I wanted to build another boat. I'm not sure what I want to build. Maybe a cedar strip canoe. Maybe a Haven 12.5. I don't know. I'd be interested in what your opinions are on that, so let me know down below if any of you are interested. I'm gonna have to expand this little shop of mine. I'm gonna get a little carport to put on those little carport tents to put in front of it it'll essentially double my space, so that'll be good. I want to do that before winter, hopefully, because I don't want to do it when the snow's up. So if I get it during the winter, I'll wait till spring to put it up. But yeah, so again, sorry, no boat building this week, but thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, stay safe, everyone, and back to boat building with the next video, I promise. Take care, everyone.